I'm Anna Cane, I'm the Bertolli Master Blender. I'm responsible for quality and scientific affairs, and recently I was appointed as president of the Oliveoil group inside the Acetol, that is the Italian olive oil industry association. We are a team of experts belonging to quality, product development and buying departments. We used to travel in all the production areas to check every time in the year how is the harvesting, how is the quality in the different areas, to be sure that we have the right raw material available for our blends. There is a lot of misconception because people think that blend means a mix of olive oil and other kind of oil. That is not true. The blend is the result of experience, knowledge and passion of the master blender that select and combine the proper olive oil to obtain a superior product with the right and balanced flavor that the consumer wants according to the standards that the company has set in accordance to the preference mapping. Olive oil is a live product. That means that every time it's in the bottle can be affected by storage condition, particularly light or temperature. That's why we used to bottle the extra virgin in dark bottle to prevent from the oxidation effect from direct exposure to light. First of all, labeling is strictly regulated by law. In Europe, we have to put on the front of the label the indication of European and or non-European origin. Outside the Europe, we have different regulation according to the different countries. For example, in US, we have to mention the single origin of each component, and we put clearly on the label the origin of all the components of the blends. We think that quality is not so linked with origin. Quality is linked to all the factors that can affect the real quality of the product. That means climate, cultivar, and all the agronomic and milling and handling of the products. That means that we source olive oil from different areas because every year we want to be sure that we get the best quality is produced in the different areas. As for the wine, every year is a different story. That's why we travel a lot to select the right component of our blends.